how to add tags to a project in Wrike. In this video, I'll be teaching you and we'll be exploring together how to add tags to a project in Wrike. So tags are actionable items that allows you to break down work into manageable units, and here is how to do it on Wrike. So let's go. The first step is to create a task from the workspace. And then how can you do this? You can do this by logging in first into your Wrike account, and then once you're on the inbox page, move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see a plus icon, and then sure you click on it. Once you click on this plus icon in the box displayed, you can see options like task, project, folder, space, request, invite. So just go ahead and click on task. After clicking on task, you can see a small box being displayed, and then you can see a box here, save to where. Alright, so you can just select this or cancel this if this is not where you want to save it to. And then you'll be asked to add a location. Alright, so now adding a location, you have to select if you want to add this task to a space, to a project, or a folder. For me, I'll be adding it to a project. Oh, I don't have a project here, but it follows the same procedure, right? Okay, this is a folder, so I'm adding this folder or a project, whichever one. And then next step is type out the tags. All right, so for example, it could be collection of data. All right, and then click on add and open, and then just like that, the tags would be created. Yeah, very cool. Okay, and then you wait for this page to load, right? Once that's loaded, you can see the theme. Then you can also add other location. Okay, you can share it to other locations, other projects, or whatever that you want to share it to. And then you can assign duties here by clicking on the assignee here, and then you can add people. Then you can also set a date by clicking on more. You can see other options. You can see, we will see more options here. You can add a description, add a sub item, add files. You can see very cool. There are things that you can try out on these tags, and then once you're done, you are good to go. Okay, so this is how it works. This is how you can create a project. Oh, sorry, you can add a task to a project on Wrike. Thanks for watching and have a good day.